Okay, we're going to be making a meal called hot honey salmon from Home Chef. Here's the ingredients that was delivered to us, but we're not going to be using the recipe card, just our phone. And Voicipe will allow us to cook it with just our voice.
Step 1. Preheat oven to 450 degrees.
Next.
Step 8. Trim and cut white portions of green onions into 1-inch lengths.
Next.
Step 11. Pat salmon fillets dry and season flesh side with half a teaspoon salt and half a teaspoon pepper.
Next.
Sear until lightly browned 3 to 4 minutes. While salmon roasts, make hot honey butter. Step 26. Add tomatoes and white portions of green onions.
Next.
Season with half a teaspoon salt and thyme.
Next.
Step 31. Bon appetit.
Next.
All done.
Stop.